active din sa Twitter ang mga followers ng SNN Official. Ang kanilang tanong, kung crush ni Colleen Garcia, si Ryan Bang, may kasagutan na. Dito yan sa SNN Tanong, All You Can, now na.
Hey guys, here are your tweets and it's time for SNN Tanong All You Can. It's Mesam G. Hi Colleen, how old are you now and where do you study? Thanks. I'm 18 years old, though I look 15 or 13 or 9. And I'm going to school in the 3rd SEM pa because I'm in college now, first year. Jen. Tanong ko kay Colleen Garcia, totoo bang may uncle ka sa team ng Ascals? Yeah, his name is Angel Aldeguer. He's an import from Spain, and I only met him once. And Ricky Obispo, crush ba ni Colleen si Ryan Bang? I find it really funny talaga. Sobrang gaan ang pakiramdam ko kapag kasama ko siya. Pero hanggang doon na. Jinky Mendoza, hi Colleen, sino sa Good Vibes crew mo na boy ang crush mo? And anong nagustuhan mo sa kanya? Anong una, nagwapuhan ako kay Ivan, find him guwapo, and sa ugali naman, si Sam naman, kasi we're alike in many ways. Sino mas pipiliin ni Colleen? Si Enrique Hill o si Sam Concepcion? Siguro sa kantahan, si Sam Concepcion, kapag may lifting na si Enrique na. Seryoso, yun nga, I'm not ready for a relationship right now. So, wala talaga. Sana nasagot ko lahat ng questions nyo. Thanks for all the tweets.
Thank you, Colleen.